Hi, I'm Jonah Masood, physical therapist here at UMS. Is it okay if I work with you today?
Yes.
Great. What's your name and birthday?
Logan McCormick, June 24th, 2002.
All right, perfect. So today we're going to be listening to some of your lung sounds, if that's okay. And to best do that, I need you to remove your shirt, if that's okay with you, so I can best hear those noises. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right, so while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands.
Okay.
So the way this is going to work, I'm going to ask you to take a big deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, okay? And I'm going to find a specific spot while you're doing that, okay?
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Perfect. All right, let's get into it. All right. So the first segment I'm going to find here is I'm going to be finding the posterior apical segment of the upper lobe. So to find this, I'm going to first find the spine of the scapula here. Then I'm going to go just superior to that into that trapezius muscle. And go right there. All right, can you take a big deep breath for me? Perfect. All right, and then same thing on this other side. Go up into the trapezius. Perfect. Go ahead and take another breath for me. All right, sounds great. Now moving on, we are going to be moving on to that posterior segment of the upper lobe. And to find this segment, I'm going to go directly medial to the spine of the scapula, which is at T3. So can I have you hug yourself? Kind of give yourself a big hug. Perfect. All right. All right, just right there. All right, go ahead and take a big deep breath for me. Perfect. All right, you can unhug yourself there, and then good. Okay, go ahead and give yourself a hug. Perfect. All right, big deep breath. Sounds good. All right, moving on. We are now moving on to the posterior superior segment of the lower lobe. And to find this, I'm going to find that spine of the scapula. And this is going to be about T5, by the way, this location. So I'm going to find the spine of the scapula. I'm going to find that inferior angle here. Perfect. I'm going to go right in the middle of those two. And then you can go ahead and give yourself a big hug here as well. Perfect. All right, big deep breath out through your mouth. All right, good. You can go ahead and unhug yourself. All right. Right there. All right, go ahead and take another big deep breath while you're hugging yourself. Good. All right, final location here. So now we're going to find the posterior basal segment of the lower lobe. So to find this, I'm going to be at about T7 to T10 here, and this is going to be right beneath the inferior ankle, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and find that. Perfect, right there. All right, go ahead and take a big deep breath for me. Perfect, sounds good. And then final one here. All right, big deep breath. Perfect, sounds great. All right, everything sounded very good today. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands, so you can go ahead and put your shirt back on for me. Thank you.